Clark. I've been instructed by Suzanne and Mason Clark to read.
A bird book.
Well, the person that gets this will read the actual plaque. So,
Oh, mine.
the beautiful granddaughters will each pull a thread and we will unveil the name that's already been engraved
Whoa!
for 2021. Malia's doing it careful. Oh, nice. All right, ladies, you may very carefully unveil it with the tissue paper. And
It is
the name.
Mason Clark to Gavin Clark.
Yay! Okay, Gavin.
Speech.
You gotta read it.
You
You
gotta
gotta read
read
it.
this. And Mom and Dad, the envelope.
Go so they
Gavin,
can see
go.
you.
Yeah, go so they can see you.
Mom and Dad, the envelope.
Lisa.
Where's the envelope that is
Read it
with
behind
that?
you,
Is
don't
it
say
behind the picture frame, maybe?
Watching your
What envelope?
There used to be an envelope with it.
That's all on the left.
Gavin,
Oh, it's on the
look
plaque
in the
now.
camera.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's have Gary's picture on the throne.
Okay, Gavin, go
Alright.
to it.
It's on there.
Don't mind me.
Congratulations on being selected to receive the Traveling Birdhouse for the next year. On December 25th, 2005, the birdhouse started being passed from one Clark family member to another. Being married to a Clark qualifies. It took the place of a tradition block. The rules are as follows. Nobody can receive the birdhouse more than once until every eligible family member has had it once.
Recipient, honey.
Recipients must be 12 or older. It must be displayed in a prominent
Prominent.
place in the
Recipients.
recipient home along with this note for a year. It is the recipient's responsibility to engrave the name of the next recipient. Enjoy your year with this valuable you.
It is valuable.
Heirloom.
Yay.
Heirloom.
And ask them what they
Thank
put
you.
on it, honey.
Yeah, what'd you guys put on it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what did you put on it?
Look at
I
well.
didn't want to put on. Oh, I did, but I forgot what it was.
She
Oh,
forgot what
yeah,
it
no
was.
worries.
It's a little pin.
A little pin.
It's a little pin.
That's the worst thing on there. Too,
What?
I think.
Yeah. No, it's one of the best things.
Awesome.
That's great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where are you gonna put it?
Um,
Not in your room.
Is that
no, I'll probably put in.
Probably
There's some stuff on there. with-
probably over on the mantle
Yeah, it is
thing.
like the
Oh,
Mississippi.
yeah.
Yeah.